Agile is there for over 2 decades. Still, approx 70 to 90% of Agile transformation initiatives fail beyond scaling up a few pilots. Even the estimates from the industry and the marketing teams of Agile is that the failures around 50 to 60%. When we look around, we observe that top down does not work, bottom up does not work, and there are many classes of software projects where these frameworks are counterproductive. But still, enterprise agile transformation services is an $18 billion industry, and it is going to touch $60 billion in the next few years. And this transformation industry runs parallel training, licensing, coaching, and mentoring industry as well. If you are not paying for it and you are not the customer, then you are the product. We often hear this in the business. I would say if your framework or approach is not producing the results consistently for over 2 decades, and if still you are forced to use it, then it is not just the framework, it is something else, something beyond the framework. The pace of change in the post COVID world would need a different kind of organic approach, culture, and mindset. But there is a complete vacuum of the alternative options to Agile. And this is where the Indian IT sector must step in. And this vacuum is $1 billion untapped business opportunity as well. India has a tradition of sharing its knowledge and experiences with the world. And this is a perfect time to explore and brainstorm together how we can provide an alternative Agile Scrum framework from the Indian IT sector. Diversity of options and alternatives is always good for the health of the industry. And it is not just India, but every tech country in the world should be encouraged to experiment and shape their own versions. More options, more diversity, more innovation, and more creativity. And all that will contribute to a better shape of the technology industry.